Hey fellas, I am back now with another video for you guys, for all you people who like my videos and comment. So I am back with one more video for you. And let me tell you first that now it is still June 20th and it is now later in the morning. Year is 2024. And it is late morning now, soon will be afternoon, and as you can see sun has come out. It is warm, it is hot, maybe 30 degrees Celsius or 90 degree Fahrenheit temperature. And also India and Afghanistan match is going to start in a few minutes in the World Cup. But now let me tell you guys, let me tell you something. Let me tell you why I make this video. So a few days ago, maybe 2 or 3 or maybe day before yesterday, on YouTube I watched a video about the Dwayne Johnson Rock, the Rock they call him, the Rock. And now the Rock is a very famous fighter, wrestler from WWF. Now WWE, and he's also very famous, very good actor, and he got very big body, muscular body. So few days ago, like I said 2 days ago, I watched one video on YouTube, and in that video they were talking about the guy, the narrator, the presenter. He was talking about The Rock. And in a sense he was saying that The Rock was doing certain things, that he was losing popularity and losing followers on social media and all that stuff, and about his comments on social media about not his comments, but like remember when there was a flood in Haiti or Hawaii. Was it flood or volcano? I don't know what it was, but there was some disaster, maybe fire, and then they were asking for money to raise funds for the victims. It was The Rock and what is that woman, Oprah Winfrey. They were asking for money. So he was commenting on all of this stuff, this guy in the video, and he was saying that these guys are so rich, they are asking for money. And then he was pointing out other things that The Rock he's done in past and present, that is showing him in negative light. Like when he was wrestler, he used to make jokes. He was funny guy. He used to make jokes, make jokes about pie and strudel, and he would ask someone what their name was, and then before they could answer, he would say, it does not matter what your name is. That was a very funny line. A lot of reaction, crowd would give a lot of reaction and cheer for The Rock. So he used to do these kinds of things, gimmicks or pranks, and these kinds of things now would get you cancelled. If you make a joke about a woman, now they will probably get cancelled and abolished for life. So he was talking about these things, also about The Rock's body, that he was using drugs or steroid to make his body and not telling people and misleading people. So all these things he was, this boy in the video, the narrator, he was saying all of these things, and this presented Rock in a very negative light. So I just want to make this video about The Rock and just tell you what The Rock Johnson, Dwayne Johnson is. He wants to be called Dwayne Johnson now, because he's no longer The Rock, he's Dwayne Johnson. So I just want to make this video, and let me tell you guys, I've known The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, for a long time. Like not personally, but through wrestling and through television. He was very brave, very good wrestler, very good fighter in WWF. He won many championships. He won a Intercontinental Championship. He won a World Championship. He won a Tag Team Championship. So he was a many-time champion, a very brave fighter, very good fighter. And his rival was Steve Austin. So now I did not like Steve Austin at all. So I had to like Rock, because Rock was capable of defeating him many times, and he also the crowd had positive reaction to Rock, so he matched Steve Austin in popularity and in his skills. Now, Rock was very technical, very skilled fighter, very good wrestler, and he won many matches. It was hard to defeat Rock. And before wrestling, he was a very good athlete. In college, he was a football player. They say they play with hands like rugby, but with helmet and padding. They say American football. So he was big star in American football college. Very good athlete, very good body. And then he came to became a wrestler. His father was also wrestler. His grandfather was also wrestler, I think. So he followed in their footsteps, and he became a wrestler. And then he became very good wrestler, and he was chosen to be the leader of Nation of Domination, the faction in WWF. And he had many great moves, very electrifying, very terrifying, very dangerous moves that no one could kick out of. Like he used sharpshooter, which is submission move, very good move. And he was very technical, very perfect application of sharpshooter he displayed. And then he also did rock bottom, which was very dangerous. He could break opponent's back with that move. And then his greatest move, I think the best move ever, is the rock elbow, or the people elbow. It is right up there. This great move is right up there with the leg drop from Hulk Hogan. So no people could kick out of this move, this maneuver. It was very deadly, very dangerous. I think they tried to ban also, but they could not ban it, so it is still in use in WWF, but nobody can do it like the Rock. That is why it is called Rocks. No, it is called People's Elbow. But anyways, so that is his wrestling. Then he was a very good champion. He was doing very well in WWF, but then he decided to retire, and he went to Hollywood, Los Angeles, California, to make movies, and he became movie star. Now he became very good actor, very good superstar, and one of now the richest superstars or Hollywood actors, and I think he's won many awards for his acting and action skills. And he's acted in many super hit movies like the Fast and Furious, one movie I can remember, and also Scorpion King. And there must be some more, because he does a lot of movies, and he's got very big, very muscular. His body is very muscular, like bodybuilder. He's got some tattoo also. And he wants to call himself Dwayne The Rock Johnson, or maybe he's back to The Rock. I don't know, I'm not sure. I know his name is Dwayne Johnson, and he was called The Rock in WWF. So he's a very great man. He's done very well for himself, and I was also checking on internet what his net worth was. He works very hard for his bodybuilding, and I was checking his net worth. It is almost $800 million, which is a lot of money. And he's a good example for children, young children, 9-year-old, 10-year-old, 11-year-old, how to work hard and work hard, keep working, keep grinding, and trying to do the best you can. Now, everybody cannot be like The Rock. That is not what I'm saying. Don't think everybody can be millionaire, but everybody can work hard and try to be the best possible that they can be. So I have no message. I just want to talk about The Rock. He's great actor, great wrestler. He sometimes comes back to wrestle, and even now without any practice, he can defeat top wrestlers of today. So I think he has good future in both wrestling and in acting, because he's very good actor and very good wrestler. So both sports and entertainment, he is the greatest sports and entertainment guy in the world these days. So yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you about, talk to you about. And then I hope you are watching UEFA Championship or Cricket World Cup. And look, there is one. Oh, it flew away. I don't know what this is called. I think it is butterfly. No, it is not the butterfly. It is some other fly. It can sting also. I think very dangerous to sting. But yeah, you can see it's taking. I think honeybee. It is honeybee. So I think this is a good note to end the video on. And I hope you are having good afternoon. You are having good day at work. And so keep having good day, and then I will talk to you guys later in the evening. Maybe I will recap the matches from World Cup, T20 and Euro Cup, or maybe I will talk about UFC Saudi Arabia. It is interesting card. I still haven't checked which fights are on the card, but I will talk about it. Okay guys, so in the meantime, enjoy your day, enjoy the flower, beautiful scenery, beautiful grass, flowers, and nice clear sky. It might rain later on afternoon, but I will talk to you guys. I will tell you what happens. Okay guys, so be patient and enjoy. Take care, be happy. Okay guys, okay. What is say? Auf Wiedersehen.